open. We need a cart.
Ooh, let's look at the little.
Knickknacks?
Yeah.
I love looking at knickknacks.
Oh my God.
What does that pillow say?
Milk. Stay a while.
I do like that. That's the pillow that we need. Bloop. In the cart. Okay, but we need to focus. We don't need those. We don't need them. This is what happens every time we come to Target.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Peppa Pig.
Where? This is so cute.
Oh my God, look at that.
Oh, those mugs are so cute.
You know I love me. This mug is giant. What is that?
A sponge.
Oh, it says you're the best on the inside. Is it gonna focus? There we go. You're the best. Put it in the cart.
You don't need this. How much is it?
Yeah, how much is it?
That's free. Just kidding. I don't know.
Love Joanna Gaines.
Who?
Joanna Gaines.
Oh my God.
Chip and Joanna.
Did you see what I tagged you in?
What?
She was like, oh, hell to the no. She's like, I don't like this. She was like, these walls are ugly.
She wouldn't say that to Joanna. I've never shopped for vision board stuff before. So I love mugs.
I'm looking at,
The mugs?
I was looking at the wine coasters.
Oh, no.
These are really cute.
I don't see a J. I'm not seeing a J here.
The J's are always gone.
Good vibes only. Hello, gorgeous.
Oh, they're cute. There's no A either.
Ugly background challenge. You've never seen that? They go into like Walmart and stuff and take like artsy photos. Oh, get over there.
Where?
Against the mugs. Pose for the screenshot. Okay, what do we need? We need poster boards. We should go to the art section. Meemaw, we don't have our own place yet.
Isn't that cute though?
Let's go!
She's flooring it. This is the usual with Meemaw. Look at this spa pillow. It's hollow. Okay, but look at this. Shine on.
It's a little baby. I need a baby.
Oh God.
It's like a, oh my God. I will buy this for that baby.
Oh my God, look at this LED sign. It's a heart balloon. Hey.
Honestly, I don't know.
He has a very long little snout. Oh my God, this is cute. These are like beautiful. I'm here for all of that. Journals.
You don't need any more journals.
Ooh, this is cute. Hi. Yeah, collectively, I think we do. Wild ideas. That is so cute. Can my job just be journal design?
I don't think we need pens, right?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
Do we have pens? Does she like change? Oh my God, it's one of those. Oh my God. Here for that. I'm living.
That's flamingo. What is with the flamingo thing?
I don't know. They're coming for my brand. That's flamingo. That's cute. One as well. If I do black, do you feel weird?
No.
I don't know what to do. I'll just go with white.
Because I'm going to get these glitter letters. Oh. No,
Hi.
sure. She walked past us.
Yeah, we did. Viva Pinata. Now that's a thumbnail. Love it.
Capture that moment for the thumbnail.
This literally just says Mexico. Did they write that?
It looks like it. Yeah, it looks like they wrote Mexico.
That's cool. It's a taco.
Still here. Where?
Weird.
It's blocked off.
Does this one also say Mexico? Yeah, they both say Mexico.
It's weird.
Cool.
It's racist.
Yeah, I'm offended.
Oh, maybe it's because of the colors.
Oh, that could be it.
Okay, but this is a super cute box, and I don't need it. But Fine. Alright, let's go find them.
The water almost went up my nose.
I wish it did. So cute. It's a lamp.
Oh, that is really cute.
Aww. I think I was right. I peepamando. Yay!
We were right.
We were right.
Pop sockets.
Why'd you punch that?
He's punching it.
Oh God.
Photo up.
We're making vision boards. I watched a bunch of videos on vision boards, and basically what I got from that is that it's just a big art project of your goals and your dreams and things that you want to happen, and just a bunch of happiness for you. And so we're going to make those today, and we're going to share them with you and share our goals with you so that you guys know what we expect from ourselves and what you can expect.